Hello everyone. Well, it's that time again. We're going to work on our Abandoning Perfection journal. I have about 4 prompts I'm hoping to get to. Maybe we'll get to another one besides that, but I'm kind of prepared mentally for 4. We're going to do, hopefully, I'm going to add strips of leftover papers to 2 pages. Now this one's not leftover. This one right now it's not, but these are some of the leftover papers that I have been using in this journal. I'm going to tear off a page and replace it with something else. I'm going to use this piece of paper and then I'll have some leftover of it. I'm going to tear a page and leave it torn, and I'm going to tear out a page and turn it into a butterfly and glue it to another page. So I think I'm going to do this first because I have to look at which pages I have that I can just tear out, because I've added tabs and things to a lot of the pages. So tearing one out to just have it torn out is actually see, and that one's got a tab on it right there. So see, that one won't work. And this one already has something on it. I don't want to tear that out. So I decided I better take care of this particular prompt before I went much further. Well, that would actually work because it does not have anything on either side, and I'm going to put this that way. Yep. Okay, so this is page 57 and 58. Okay, guys. I think that better be it for today, but I have to tell you that I hadn't really planned which pages I was going to use, and it worked out where I actually did an extra prompt here. Tear a page and leave it torn is page 69 and 70. 69 and 70. Add strips of leftover papers. Oh, I have to add strips of leftover papers to another page. I have to do that to 2 pages. So I guess I am going to work on another page before I finish, because I want to finish that prompt. I tore the page out and made my butterfly, and then I replaced it with something else, being the scrapbook paper, and then I added my butterfly to the same page. And I actually did this extra prompt down, can't remember which number it is, but the other day I folded the corners of these pages, this paper up, and I added my strips of paper to this one, and then turned this into a pocket, because we have to make a pocket to put these pages in. And well, I'll have to fold it a little differently. These are my rough pages. I will be doing some nice pages, but I will be able to slip this into, let's just fold it 3 times, and it'll just go right in there like so when it's all nice and dry. And so I'll have completed that prompt as well, but I have to add strips of paper to another page. So I think I'll do it to this one. So I'm going to finish that, and then I'll be back again. All right, now I have done my prompt 47, which is to add strips of leftover paper to 2 pages, which I did. I tore off a page, which is prompt 11, and replaced it with something else. I tore out a page, turned it into a butterfly, and glued it back to another page. And I tore a page, and I've left it torn. Now, that doesn't mean I won't come back and do another prompt over the top of it, but that, for the time being, those are my prompts for today. I also, and I'm not sure which number it is, I'll have to find it, but I created a pocket to put my pages in right here. That may have to be stapled. We'll have to see if it's going to hold well enough, or if I'm going to have to add a couple of little staples to it, because this is kind of bulky. However, I will probably make this printed down a little smaller when I go to actually make the final one. I mistakenly numbered some pages wrong, and then I put things down in the wrong place. So I wanted to make it nice and neat when I get ready to finish up my project. Although we're supposed to abandon perfection, but I at least want to take out my scribbles. So anyways, guys, let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity. And then I better get busy. I think it's about time I accomplished a couple other things today. Dinner, for one. If there's a book you really want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must write it. Toni Morrison. Okay, that's kind of odd, but I guess that's true. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.